landmine crisis is truly global. Over 60 countries around the world are currently impacted by landmines. The challenge is, how do you address this at scale?
SafePro.ai is a drone-based analysis company. We essentially take imagery, and right now we're focusing on detecting landmines. We started way back in university. In 2016, I was doing a research project on the PFM1, which is a plastic anti-personnel mine. We were researching how can we detect this landmine, brought it to proof of concept in 2018, but how can we automate this process and really scale it up?
I joined the team in 2018 to bring machine learning to it, to help scale the solution and enable analysis to be faster and more automated.
Gabriel is a computer scientist, I'm a remote sensing scientist, and I said, all right, let's join forces. And then we developed the first machine learning model to detect landmines from drones.
So using off-the-shelf commercial drones powered by artificial intelligence, we're able to detect sub-centimeter level accuracy landmines the size of the palm of your hand.
We joined the AWS partner network, and from there, we're able to access the compute resources to really bring our machine learning model and our platform, SpotlightAI, which hosts all of the built-in functionality, and actually bring it to scale.
Each hectare of land, which is roughly 2.5 football fields, our off-the-shelf drone will capture roughly 600 images. Each image could take a human up to 3 minutes to identify any mines on that image. Using AWS's hyperscale and hypercompute, our AI is able to detect that same image in 0.2 seconds, the blink of an eye.
We have, through these high CPU resources, enabled our customers to upload their drone imagery, and in 15 minutes they have a full sub-centimeter resolution map of that entire area. And they upload a lot more than 1 hectare. Without AWS, this would be near impossible.
We're able to process that imagery and generate high-resolution, high-fidelity orthomosaic maps that tell the humanitarian mine action organizations exactly where the mines are located, so they then can send in their crews to remove those mines safely so they can return that land back to that local farmer.
SpotlightAI has allowed our customers to find at least 4,000 landmines and has allowed our customers to survey more than 1,200 hectares of land in eastern and southern Ukraine.
AWS has provided us a lot of guidance from both the technical perspectives, how to best utilize cloud compute resources, as well as credits to allow us to do these humanitarian operations.
It means a great deal, personally, to make an impact with technology. After going to Ukraine, after seeing what the civilians have gone through and the land that's denied to them because of these landmines, it really takes on a different meaning.
The beauty of software is it's basically infinitely scalable, but you need resources to achieve that scalability. AWS will provide that for you.
We started off as a solutions provider for a small minefield. Bringing our technology to the cloud, we're now a global operator. Using AWS, it's completely transformed our business.